Hey everybody, welcome to episode number 2 in this brand new series for 2025. This is Watch Me Practice Trading on NQ on October 1st. So in the first video, we did the first 38 minutes and we're continuing where we left off over there. And so we are just after 30 seconds, 1 minute or whatever after we exited on that video. So we netted 4,000 on that video. Let's see what we can do this time. Hopefully we won't bring that 4,000 to a zero, but just saying it can happen. So we had some big orders over here. 71 and 94 orders longing over here. So this guy longed 94 and then whoop, it reversed. Don't do breakouts, kids. Oh boy. Okay. We just had an order for 70 short over here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. I really don't remember where we were. So we had these levels from last time. That we set. So we blasted through that. And then we could say that there's a level here, right? Because that's a double whammy. They're at 956. Also got a levelish here. If we're going to do wicks, maybe this. I don't know. Nothing really anywhere close. It's going back into September back there. So we got some levels below. We are momentum short on this bad boy. We were long up until 2 hours ago. Here, let's go back to action so we don't miss any fun, exciting stuff. 5 minute momentum short, solid momentum short, no doubting it. This, look at that. That's pretty strong. Momentum short. And then how about this guy over here? Solid momentum short. Here, let's expect a test up here. Like that. I mean, it's it went through this one. It did retrace a little bit, right? So close, came back up, down. It's definitely short. Say a bunch of orders here. This is 70. This is 100 contract short. These are all little 49, 42. Maybe we should just do one here just so we participate. And watch, it's probably going to turn around on us immediately. And we'll probably go to here, maybe here. Oh, geez. Reversed. So this is a fade because we are momentum short. Let's sell here. Engulfing candle. Oh, it's not going to. Oh, okay. So it took us out over there. Keep a very tight stop. So we got dinged for quite a bit there before. Going to go up to 990. Oh, it's going to take us out, isn't it? Okay, we're still in it. Let's trail.
Trampoline.
Okay, we got out. Got dinged pretty good and then came back. Let's kind of see what happens here. Let's take a look at everything. Okay, we set a level at 33. So that kind of coincides with this guy here. We did recapture this engulfing candle. It took out 2 whole candles, but then looks like it's turning around right away. So this is a fade, longing it. So any longs right now until momentum reverses. Any longs need to be short, which we kind of did there. Okay, I shorted one contract. Not a good place because it might reverse right there. If it doesn't do anything in a couple seconds here, we'll flatten. Okay, got second level. Nothing notable on the 5. Did this bounce at 20,000? Nothing there. What are you doing, dude? Okay, let's figure out some targets. Okay, so we are momentum short, so we're expecting it to go down. So maybe like here, but we got to get through this mess here. Take a high risk thing here. I added to this right above this level. Hopefully it's just going to break through. So it never recaptured momentum on this guy. So this is still short and it's diverging. That means that these two are getting like wider. But man, it's sure going down slow. So we're in this level. We got to be real careful about a reversal right here. Man, it wicked right up to us. Let's see. 1.5 minutes left on this guy. How about this? I mean, still holding, still getting wider. We got another 11 minutes to close out. Jeez, what are you doing, dude? Okay. I'm going to say it's going to come up here and then reverse. Oh, geez, look at that. Is it going to engulf it? Took this one 2,000 orders to go up here. This one did that in like 500. Okay, we'll call it a test from below of the white line and this level.
Trampoline. Squeeze.
$71 order sell. Add to our position here. We'll believe that. So this is still holding momentum short. Oh.
Absorption bubble.
Oh, that was this guy. No bueno. Oh, jeez. We're still going to believe the short. Okay, this is good. See, on this chart over here, we had the greens and then the immediate red that engulfed this guy, and it didn't continue past this line here. So that is a good sign. Big wick here is a good sign. We need to get under here ASAP if we're going to continue down. Otherwise, we might be in big trouble.
Pivot wick. Long.
So if we get a little more of a pullback, we got to decide when it gets here by this line, which is not this line. That's our break even. Do we want to reverse? Oh, look at that. Bounced off that slow momentum line right there. So here we did basically the same as this. 6 red, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red, 3 green, 6 red. Okay, this is good. This is good. This would be freaking awesome if we close below this green. So this guy, yes. Okay. Sweet. So we engulfed the green. We are in profit. We're loaded up with 8. Okay, our first mini target is going to be like here-ish. See, did we do, okay, or low in a little bit. Take a profit over here. Just above it. Let me move that up. Oh, come on, don't bounce off of that. Don't bounce off 19. I made a level here. These drawings aren't carrying over. Okay, we crossed through it. We took one profit. We will take 2 off over here.
Intensity candle.
Whoa,
Short.
are you going to make it down here? It'll probably come back up here to 919 again now. Okay, 1 more minute till or the opening range. We're in for 5. Let's take one more profit. Then we'll do stop and stop. This is probably right where it's going to bounce to if it comes back up. So what I did here is if we get up here, we'll add 2, and then we'll see what happens.
Engulfing candle.
Okay. May not do it. Let's take one more profit there. So if we go down, our targets are here and here. Got rid of those. So we're in for 4. Let's do singles. So we created a mini level over here. Not very straight, I know. We held it, wicked. Want to break through that. Let's see, this is 88. It's like a 20 some point. Oh yeah, we took one off. Let's see, what were those levels? I don't remember. Oh, that's this one. Where's next? That's too close. Let's see on the downside, the next one's right there. 795. Okay, came down to our area right here. We're in for 3. Get rid of that line I drew earlier. So we set the opening range low. So that's right here. I'm glad it didn't take us out. That must have been like one tick away. Okay, let's see. Opening range low. We tag this line. And, oh, it took us out. Let's see, are we on time? 25 minutes. Actually, this is a good spot to stop. So we did like another, 25 minutes of trading. We netted 75.60. And then we'll resume on our next video here at 9:35 a.m. Let's see. How do we do on this one? Let me pause this. I am not really happy with how I handled this reversal. I should not have let myself go in that far in the red. I basically got lucky because So moving up on these charts is a fade. So those are short term because all of these charts, this is short. Like if we look at this is short momentum bias. This is, so the 1 hour, I mean, it is what it is, but it's almost full short and momentum and bias, both of those. This one here, the 5-minute, is definitely momentum and bias short. And like all of these are getting wider. And when I say wider, what I mean is like if we, where's my little measuring thing? Where are you? There you are. So like if we measure this, actually I didn't want to put that there. Like if we measure this here and we draw a nice line that is not wanting to move. Come on, dude. There you go. So you see how that is there. Now, when we go to the next bar, see how the bottom line is getting further. And then here, bottom line's getting, I mean, it pulled back a little bit from the last one, but it's getting further. Well, this one is yet to be seen. It's like down here. It's like itty bitty. Yeah, here we can see it's, I mean, it's kind of the same as that last one, but it's, if you look to the left of it, you see how the bottom line's much closer to the white line comparatively to like here. So these are diverging. So they're spreading apart. So that shows us that, it's momentum is, continuing in a downward fashion. It's a little different over here because this one reacts a lot quicker. But, we had this diverging over here. Here it was spreading, then it narrowed, then it's spreading, but it's not spreading it doesn't look like it's spreading as fast as this one. So it's starting to slow down. But the thing that saved my bacon was that this turnaround happened here. So this is a check on the fast momentum. It did not hit the slow momentum and it turned around and it was like an instant turnaround. I mean, this would have been good to wait for this, see it happen on this chart if you think this one is the boss. And then it goes south. And then, I got in like down here and then I wrote it up here in the red for way too long. And then I think I added somewhere in here. That's where we went up to 8 from our initial entry. So we cost averaged up, but I mean, that's really risky. However, everything is still momentum short. So we had that going for us. Although, for all I know, this could have been the bottom and I would have been royally hosed because at that point, you're pretty deep in the red. And then it's like, well, what do? Do you let it come up here to the slow momentum? Is it going to test that one? So anyway, I'm not too happy with how I handled that. I should have gotten out or reversed and then waited for a pullback, expecting it, knowing that it's short. So instead of getting early, I should have been more patient to get into it at a better position. But, in the end, it did work out okay. So that is cool. And now, can I click on that stupid thing behind there? Oh, come on. There we go. So on this chart here, it's same situation, except instead of the fast momentum, it's the slower momentum. So it crossed the slow momentum over here and came back down, did a test of the slow momentum, came down. So that probably would have been the better trade, is to wait for a test of this, see it reverse on this chart over here, see it reverse, and then get in expecting a continuation. So that would have been the smarter move. But then again, I'm not always so smart, but we did get 75.60 regardless. And we will continue this on the next one. I did a couple extra minutes of babbling, so you're welcome. All right, everybody. Catch you all in episode 3. Thanks for watching.